Hello, Martine Santerre from Soul Being here today, and I'm speaking with Dr. Kimberly Zurich from Infuse Health Clinic in Portland, Maine. Kim, welcome.
Thank you.
So Kim is a naturopathic doctor and a licensed acupuncturist, and she's also a professor, which is super cool. So tell us a little bit just about your background, and then what do you teach as a professor?
So my background, postgraduate work, I spent a total of 8 years in naturopathic medical school and acupuncture school. And now I also am a professor. I teach at SMCC, things like anatomy and physiology, pathology.
And what's pathology?
Pathology is what's going wrong with the body.
Okay.
So what happens when your physiology starts to break down.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
So sorry, I didn't mean to cut you out there. Then the SMCC, and then where else do you teach?
New York Chiropractic College. Okay. I teach nutrition in their Masters of Clinical Nutrition program.
Very cool. So you have a large body of knowledge.
It's really fun to be able to help educate the next group of wellness professionals coming into the world.
Awesome. So one of the most common conditions that people experience is chronic pain. Mm-hmm. So how do you treat pain with your background, kind of combining that naturopathic medicine and the acupuncture Chinese medicine piece?
Acupuncture and naturopathic medicine work really well together to treat pain and people who are suffering from pain, and especially giving options that are not using pharmaceuticals that may not have been working well or causing side effects that they don't want. Acupuncture can help release endorphins. It can help change the pain response in the body. The natural medicines that I use, in addition, I use Western herbs. I use a lot of supplements to focus on reducing the inflammation in the body and providing the building blocks so that your body can heal itself. So what do the tissues need to really heal themselves?
Yeah. So do you kind of engage in like a detective process to figure all that out? Is it really unique for each person, or is there kind of like a prescriptive way that you would deal with it?
Everybody's different, and that's the nice thing about what I do is really treating the person and not treating a disease. I'm treating a person.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
In your practice, one of the unique things about you is that you work with a lot of women that are going through transformation in their lives. And I think that's something that, we talk a lot about in health and wellness, about conditions and diseases and pain management or autoimmune or whatever the case may be. But how does medicine affect, what's that holistic approach to dealing with something that's actually happening in someone's lives? Like, how is that all connected?
When you're going through change, it can cause a lot of stress. It can be scary. It can, all the emotions. And remembering to take care of yourself is really important, and to take care of yourself physically as well. So coming into the clinic, having acupuncture, having natural medicine can support you on a physical level to nourish the body so that you're getting through what you're going through. And helping on a stress level as well. Acupuncture is amazing for stress. And some of the herbs and other things that we use as well can help continue that throughout the week. And really kind of supporting the woman in a whole aspect. Yeah. So mental, spiritual, and physical.
Awesome. And emotional as well, I'm
yes.
sure. Do you end up... do you oftentimes, if you have someone that's going through something, do you work with their therapist or other practitioners? Do you kind of connect in that way with their team, or?
We can connect. One of the nice things about what I do is you don't have to necessarily come in and spend a lot of time talking if you don't want to. The medicine works on an energetic level, so we can talk if things come up, or you can have a therapist and talk more and really explore further.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So lastly, in your experience, what are the 4 biggest things that you've learned in terms of working with your patients that impact their health and well-being? Like what can we do to have that optimal health?
Optimal health.
Doesn't everybody want that? I want it.
Sleep is number one.
Okay.
Well, no, I think they're all number one, but sleep is one of the big things. A lot of us are stressed and burning the candle at both ends, and sleeping a good night's sleep every night gives your body the chance to really regenerate itself and restore itself. Eating real food is super important. Yeah. So by real food, I mean not processed, packaged, chemical, preservative full, fake food.
Yeah.
So real things that you can find at like the farmer's market and cooking meals for yourself. Those are the things that your body's going to recognize as nutrients.
Wonderful. And then what are the other two?
The other two, movement. So getting out and, did I already say movement?
No, you didn't say it. Oh. No, you're good. You got it out. Movement. Yes, you're moving it out right now.
You're moving it out. Exercise, getting things flowing.
Yeah.
So we're not stagnant. And also loving yourself and really focusing on trying to have healthy relationships and have fun.
Yeah, exactly. And laugh.
And
awesome.
laugh.
Well, Kim, thank you so much for being with us. To get in touch with Dr. Kim Zurich, visit us at soulbeing.com. Kim, have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have an amazing day.
Bye.